sun. Hi everybody, my name is Rachna Sharma and I'm gonna be your sugar makeup expert for the day. And with this scorching heat knocking our doors this season, I'm gonna show you all a few quick summer makeup hacks. Hack number 1. Since foundations can get heavy on the skin during the summers, I will skip the foundation and start with the 3-in-1 BB cream. This BB cream is ultra lightweight matte finish. Now, hack number 2. After a few hours of applying makeup, our body starts secreting oils to maintain the sebum balance of our skin. A good hack to avoid this is to apply a little bit of compact on the T-zone. Hack number 3. Use a wax-based eyebrow pencil instead of the powder-based brow products this summer. The wax in the product will help the hair stay in place and combat all the sweat and the heat. Use the flat side of the pencil to shape the beginning of the brow and the pointed tip to define the edges of the brow. Hack number 4. To make sure you don't face the issue of running or smudge lip this summer, the best investment you make has to be a Goop sweat-proof liquid lipstick. This liquid lipstick that is guaranteed to last longer than your longest day. Like, share and subscribe and comment down below to tell us your favorite summer hacks.